Hello people, enough talking, let's start building the crane. I now have all the material that I need for it. I have this IPE 140 beam, about this size. It's 140 millimeters tall and 70 millimeters wide. And the material is around 6 to 7 millimeters thick. And then I have this 70 by 70 by 4 square tube and this 40 by 40 by 4 square tube. And also right here I have the tubes, the round tubes, and here you can see the size 101.6 by 5 millimeters, and the smaller one is a little under 90 millimeters, and they will slide on pretty nicely with about 1.5 millimeter gap. It should be smaller, well it could be smaller I think, but it's gonna be just fine with the 1.5 millimeters. And then I have a little piece of 10 by 100 steel, flat steel, and I'm gonna start the project by cutting this piece to a correct size to be welded at the end of the I-beam like this. And then I'm gonna weld these smaller tubes, and these are the tubes that's gonna be attached to the I-beam, of course, and these are gonna make the upper piece of the telescopic system, and these will be the lower part. And to these pipes I'm gonna mill a square piece off from here, and then I will weld the I-beam right here, so I will have maximum area for the weld. Okay, and this 70 by 70 piece I will cut in half, so it's gonna be, this is 3 meters long, so it's gonna be 1.5 meters, and that's gonna make the lowest part of the A-arms in the ends. And I'm gonna have wheels and the rubber pads and some kind of a spring system, or maybe a screw adjustment to the wheels, I don't know. But somehow I need to get the wheels off the ground when I do lifting, because the wheels will not be strong enough to hold 500 kilograms each. And then I have this tube that I'm gonna use to reinforce this and these. So if this is the centerpiece of the lowest piece in the A-arm and the round pipe goes up, I'm gonna have these at an angle like this. So it's gonna make these tubes more stable, and also it's gonna spread the load over these beams. Okay, and this is 4 meters long, so I'm gonna make 4 1 meter pieces of it.